to order groceries on Chowdeck Quick Commerce. Step 1. Open the app and enter your location. Launch Chowdeck and set your delivery location. This determines which supermarkets and stores are available to you since coverage varies by area. Step 2. Choose your grocery source. Look for the grocery quick commerce section where you can shop from Chowdeck or leading supermarket partners like Benko, Foodco, and Domino Supermarket, all listed right in the app alongside the restaurant. Step 3. Browse and add items to your cart. Shop across categories including household needs, beauty and self-care, baby food, pet needs, snacks, drinks, cleaning supplies, and grocery staples like bread, milk, coffee, fruits, vegetables, and frozen foods. Everything is organized by category so you can move through your list quickly. Step 4. Also, check local markets for foodstuff. If you are after fresh foodstuff specifically, Outdeck local market feature lets you shop directly from market vendors without physically going yourself. Useful alongside supermarket items for a fuller grocery run. Step 5. Pay and track your delivery live. Complete payment in the app, then track your order in real time as it moves from picking up to your doorstep with notifications keeping you updated at each stage.